in this video, we're going to focus on creating a polyfill shape here, while we have here another line chart item, but this in essence is a scatter chart. So let's start to look how to do this. So to do this, the first thing what we need to do here is to get a border template, which you can get here on chartjs3.com getting started. Once you're on here, copy this chunk of code and you're good to go. Next, if you want to get the source code of this video and many others, check out my Patreon page, and of course, got a question, put it on Discord. So to create this polygon fill shape, with what we need is a scatter chart. Right now, if I scroll down here, you can see we have a bar chart. Let's convert it into a scatter chart. So once we did this, save, refresh, this works, but of course we need to have the proper coordinates. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put in here the new coordinates in here, which is of course an X and Y. So I'm just going to put in here some random number, let's say 2, and then 1, comma. What I can do is just copy this, copy, and copy. I think that should be more than enough. And I'm just going to put in some numbers here. We can do it like this. So this will be 1, and then here we have a 2. And once we did that, I want to have here 2 again. We can give this a 2, but we will say this will be a 4 and this will be a 1. If I save this right now, refresh, you can see we have these items spread over, but indirectly you can see the order that we have them here. It's basically going from one side here, here, there, and then down back here. As you can see, we have this twice. So this here will help us to create the complete item. So what I'm going to do is, just for the sake here, I'm going to say comma, and say here show line. So we're going to show the line, set it on true. So we have the line, there we are. So now we have created basically a shape here. We want to fill up this specific shape. So if I say here comma, and I'm going to say here fill, and say here true, what will happen is nothing. What I need to give the command here, instead of true, is set it on shape. So it will understand that this is different. We want a shape. If I save this, refresh, now we're getting the shape it wants. And if we want to have like curved lines or something like that, what we can do here is we're going to say attention and put this on 0.4. Save that, refresh, and now we get these different shapes in how you want them. Of course, if I put a comma here, add up another data set, what I will do is just copy all of this. We copy this, put it in here, and we're going to give this a different color. Let's remove all these others, and this will have just some basic values here. We're not going to do anything special. 10, and then here 12. And then I will remove all of these, or at least I will say the fill is not necessary. Save that, refresh, and as you can see here, what is happening, it's starting to change itself here. Well, this will create the line here. The fill shape is here nicely. And that's it.